we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so today we're diving into the world of automatic espresso machines. First up, the DeLonghi Eletta, right? Model ECAM 44660B. It's a fully automatic espresso machine, but it's listed as renewed on Amazon.
And we're pitting it against the Bosch 300 series, Model TIU20307, also fully automatic, brand new out of the box. This should be interesting to see how they stack up in terms of features and value.
Right. The DeLonghi boasts a one-touch LatteCrema system, promising barista-quality milk drinks. So, cappuccinos, lattes, macchiatos, all at the touch of a button. They claim it takes less than 3 minutes.
The Bosch has a Milk Express in-cup frother, which sounds kinda neat and less bulky than an external milk container. You just stick it right into your cup for frothing. How does that compare to the DeLonghi's integrated carafe?
Good question. The DeLonghi uses a dedicated milk jug that attaches to the machine. Some people prefer that for larger quantities or easier storage of leftover milk. But the Bosch approach sounds simpler for single servings. So both are aiming for that barista quality experience at home, but with different approaches to milk frothing. The DeLonghi can brew 2 cups at once, which is great for couples, or when you need an extra shot. And it's got a silent grinder with 13 adjustable settings. Pretty fancy. Plus, it uses a 15-bar pump.
The Bosch also does 2 cups simultaneously, which is handy. And it has 5 different strength levels so you can really customize your coffee's intensity. It also boasts the AromaMax system for optimal grinding and brewing. Cleaning is always a chore, but the DeLonghi has automatic cleaning programs, including descaling. And apparently, the removable parts are dishwasher safe. That's a big time saver.
Bosch has a calc and clean feature with a step-by-step guide, plus the service door is at the front, which they say makes cleaning easier. The milk frother is also dishwasher safe.
Easy cleaning is a huge plus in my book. Nobody wants to spend more time cleaning than enjoying their coffee.
One thing to note about the DeLonghi, it is a renewed product, so it's been inspected and tested to work like new. It comes with the Amazon Renewed Guarantee, which offers replacement or refund if you're not satisfied.
The Bosch is brand new, so that's something to consider if you prefer the peace of mind of a new appliance warranty. It also includes cleaning and descaling tablets, a water filter, and a hardness test strip. The Bosch has an LCD touch control panel, which seems pretty modern and intuitive.
The DeLonghi has a touch control panel too, and adjustable settings for water, milk, and coffee amounts, so both offer a degree of customization.
The DeLonghi is heavier, weighing in at 24.2 pounds.
Yeah, the Bosch is significantly lighter at 14.74 pounds, which might be a factor if you plan on moving it around.
The Bosch has a ceramic grinder which is supposed to be quieter and last longer than steel grinders.
The DeLonghi has a double boiler system which can improve temperature stability for brewing and steaming milk simultaneously.
Both are aiming for convenience, and that perfect cup, it just comes down to preference. With milk frothing and cleaning features, and whether you're comfortable with a renewed product versus a brand new one. And, of course, budget.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.